Leave this body from right now. Leave this body right now. Ngegama lika Jesu, I command you. Usuke enxebeni zakho, ngiyaxebula ngegama lika Jesu. Suka manje uphume ngendlela wangena ngayo ngaphinde kuyo. Leave this body, return no more. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, I pray.